Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session of Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our accounts spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stock Sniper Trading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to a live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. I hope everyone's having a wonderful morning so far, okay? Current time is 7:35 Eastern Standard Time, all right? The morning has been very good, guys. I hope you're having a great morning as well. Okay, we had a really good London session here, okay? Posted some of the trades. Our London trader was very, very good, and today so far has been really positive. So I plan on continuing that, all right? And we're going to watch and see current times like 8 o'clock, new hourly, 8:20, which is COMEX open, and then we have 8:30 news, which you can see on here, which is unemployment claims, okay? We do have 10 a.m. news, okay? We have a speaking event, all right? So if we can smash the likes up, guys, we'll stay there, no problem. If not, I'll just hop over in the Zoom, okay? And we'll go from there. So, guys, if there's any questions, okay, regarding what we do, SST or anything, please send us an email, join our free Discord, okay, which I'll show you in a second, all right, and open up a ticket, okay. We did get a decent amount of emails yesterday too. I just told the group we got to about 3/4 of them, and then there's maybe about 10 to 20 left, okay. All right, guys, so this is the site, www.stocksnipertrading.com, okay. You can see these are our programs here. Today is the last day for $20 off on the 3-month. If you guys want to join, totally up to you, okay. Our free Discord, this is the main thing we've been asked, okay. So join up here, just follow the steps, and then join in and go from there, okay. This is also our schedule, okay, for the rest of the week. We're today, okay, so we did live London and Scalper Pro. This is today, all right, live New York, okay. There might be a bonus session coming in, okay, but yesterday you can see we're jam-packed. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sessions yesterday. Okay, it was a big day, all right, and now we're just slowly winding down, looking to get to the end of the week on a positive note, all right. So with that being said, okay, last thing to get in contact with this, guys, just take a peek here, all right, get in touch, and we'll go from there. Okay, so that's the area for contact, all right, pretty straightforward, and I'll go over this again middle of the call and at the end of the call. So again, just to remind you guys, we have 8:30 news, okay. All right, and then you have 10 a.m. news here, okay. And then after that, there's really nothing, okay. You have 155 Canadian news, which is going to affect my country. Okay. And then tomorrow, guys, you can see nice Friday here, mostly CAD news. All right, so today's going to be, probably one of the last days, and then Friday we could, see some erratic behavior as well, just like normal. Okay. So let's flip over here. So take a quick look at the DXY, guys. All right, so this was from yesterday. Okay, so remember how we did the hourly fibs? Okay, and you can see the golden zone held. All right, this was during, I believe, this news. All right, I do believe that's at 10. Yeah, so we watched price spike up. That's why gold had that massive sell-off. Okay, right, and then you can see it retraced, came back, and started to hold some structure at around 104.8. All right, and ever since then we've slowly been walking our way up. So we did tap again that 105 level. All right, so that's nice. All right, we made 2 taps here. I don't really see a neckline just yet. All right, but this is on the hourly. It could show something a little bit different on the lower time frames. Okay, so I'm going to erase this, guys, and we're going to start fresh. All right, what I really care about now is this high right here, 105, and then the break of nice structure and the support right down in here around 104.6. Okay. So breakdown here. Looking at a support level to the left, 104.58, 104.6. All right. And you can see here we're hovering right around the golden zone. Okay, consolidation. All right. And we're right near tapping that 105.025 one more time. All right. So let's kind of dive in and give some zones. All right. So obviously we know there's some buyers here, guys. 104.6. That's a pretty far level to get to. Okay, and then we'll look at our selling area right up in here. Okay, we'll drop this down a little bit lower on the time frame to about 15 and see if we can get a more accurate resistance. But you can see here that we're looking pretty straightforward, nice resistance so far. So you can see on at 11 o'clock, okay, that's when we had that big rejection. So we made bullish volume here again. Okay, then all of a sudden one more time, push back down, started to hold that 104.93. Okay, which is the support level of the previous candle. All right, so basically it pushed, pulled, retested. All right, and then you can see all the buyers are still stepping in here. Okay, so I do see one more zone, okay, and support level, but we'll grab that on the lower time frame. Okay, and again, guys, this is just subjective to my views. All right, obviously anything can change based on your bias, whatever you may be. Okay, but I do see some nice buying opportunity. Okay, right around this zone here. Okay, so far here, okay, on the 15, we're just in this nice consolidative range. All right, this has been really choppy. Okay, but now we're getting that resistance again. Okay, trying to push maybe back down to retest that 786 level. Okay, and if we do fall, we might look at getting to our 618. Okay, which this will push the price of gold probably until, I would say, maybe 1925 potentially. Okay, and then if not, we're going to probably go up to 1930, but we'll watch and see here. Okay, I do see a little bit of a trend. Okay, trend line here starting to form. Okay, you can see here that we are respecting, okay, a little bit of a steady higher high and higher low operation. All right, on at least the 15. Okay, so we'll see if this is going to just pick up a wick and start to retest again the highs. If not, we'll pull back. Okay, maybe retest that 5-minute trend and then watch and see. Okay, so let's go take a quick peek on the 5. All right, and I would like to get some alarms set here. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a good day so far, like I said. All right, so we're going to gather the high zone. Okay, and then we're going to gather the low too. Okay, so I'm set. If we go bullish, okay, we're going to get a notification. If we go bearish, we're going to get a notification. But to get through to this level, I'm going to actually add one more support area on the trend line. Okay, so we're going to watch and see the next few moves, okay, leading into, we got about 15 minutes, guys, until the new hourly, which is generally when we focus on trading, okay? So now we're just going to do some basic breakdowns and continue to take a look at some other pairs. So guys, take a look at gold slowly rising here, okay? So we'll take a look at gold on the hourly, so we know where we're at on the DXY, okay? Right here from what I see, okay, look at that big bearish candlestick. Okay, that happened at 10 a.m. So remember that big spike on the DXY right here? That's the bearish spike that we watched, okay? That was incredible, to be honest with you. We watched stairs up and then heavy elevator down. Okay, so now we're going to see, is this going to be a curl? Okay, to save price, pushing it back to maybe 1925, like I mentioned, right up around in here. Okay, or are we going to actually get maybe some volume and push up maybe to the last highs at around 1930, 1928? Okay, so for me, I'd rather just grab this top wick and start to ride like this. Okay, so very similar to the DXY, it's just performing the opposite way so far. Okay, dollar is just mid-range, kind of selling off a bit in supply. You can see gold is holding a little bit of bullish. All right, so okay, we do know there's buyers there, pretty straightforward. Okay, I want to see a couple areas on the lower time frame. I'll gather the hourly real quick. Hourly supply. Okay, and now I'm watching the mid candle right here. See that? It's almost 50%, guys. That's the golden zone. Are we going to push up? Let's take a look at this on the 15-minute. Okay, are we going to push into this general area right in here? On the hourly, it's around a 10 pip move. Okay, maybe a little bit more than that. Sorry, maybe a 15. Okay, $1.50 from this support level into this resistance right here, which is the 618. So I want to see what's going to happen anywhere around in this range. Okay, and then you can see we had a little bit of a wick high. Okay, we got rejected at that 1925. So anywhere in here, I'm just going to mark it as neutral. It's just like mid-range for us. Okay. Now we're going to watch the 0.5. So I would like to get some support and resistant alarms. Okay. Yeah, 830, guys. Unemployment, absolutely. Okay, I'd like to see if price is going to make a little bit of the highs. Okay, so look at this choppy price action right now, guys. It's made some serious movements with higher highs and higher lows on a lot of consolidation trading. It's still in an uptrend, okay, but if you can see price push, pull, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Finally, see the 382 how we broke through, okay? Roughly at 1920.6, 1920.8 area. Okay, look at that big impulsive candle shooting up to the next zone. All right. And now we're going to see, are we going to hold in this zone area and push to the next zone, or are we going to get rejected? So let's just watch and see. I like to see what happens on the new hourly. Okay, we have some alarms set, so we're looking pretty straightforward right now. Guys, I just started here, but I have to go quickly let the dog out. I'm sorry about that. I will be right back. 2 seconds, guys. My apologies. When the woman asks you to do something, you got to do it. Perfect, guys. There we go. Okay. Okay, so still holding, have a nice uptrend here. All right, we'll mark that up. Okay, we're going to see if this is going to hold or fold right around our 0.5. Okay, so we're going to stick with these two guys. Look at the dollar still holding bullish. Okay, if we want to go on some indices sections, all right, guys, let's try to smash these up to 150 right away. That's all I just asked for. We just hit 150 likes. Okay, and we'll move on to the Dow Jones or NASDAQ. Guys, can I ask you a question? Members, what do you guys want to look at today? We can go SP, we can go Dow, we can go NASDAQ. What are you guys feeling? Really doesn't matter to me. We can trade whatever. A lot of Dow, NASDAQ. Okay, so we'll make that decision once we smash that up there. All right, let's just monitor everything accordingly. Okay, guys, let me pull up these chats here. 1 sec. Ali, yes, I am. Okay. No sound on Discord. Okay, there we go, guys. Sorry about that. It muted everyone when I muted the YouTube. So, guys, what do you want to do? Do you want to do Dow or NASDAQ? Sorry, guys, my bad. Okay, so I got this already ready to go, so we'll take a peek at that as soon as we get over to the new hourly. All right, looking like a lot of Dow Jones traders today. Okay, so you can see Dow selling off, guys. Okay, Goldie's still trying to rise. Okay, look at the dollar here, still high in the highs around 105. Okay, so can the same strategy be used to other time frames? Which time frames are you talking about? Like if you do a higher, maybe like a daily, a weekly, and you just watch daily and maybe weekly zones, or sorry, daily and 4-hour zones, yeah, you could do it like this for sure. Ali, yes, I'm in. There's an echo here, guys. I don't think there's an echo. Might be just on your thing if you have two monitors or two screens open. Okay, look at the dollar, guys, starting to rise. Okay, we're going to tap that one level again. So we're going to get an alarm probably. We're going to see if we're going to break that previous resistance. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We're pushing on gold, holding, okay, and we're also starting to hold, still holding bullish on the dollar. Okay, one thing I wanted to check out was oil too, guys, and GU. Okay, so GU, guys, is slowly breaking down. All right. So we're going to watch and see price at roughly this support level here. This is bearish right now, guys. Okay. And this is on 5 minutes, so let's watch and see if we're going to hold this zone. Okay, I do believe there's a trade sent here, so we'll take a look 1 second, guys. Alex, yeah, they're moving alike right now. So probably news, and the new hourly is going to tell us what's up. Okay, so we got some nice resistance here. Okay, nothing broke above, still kind of holding below. Nice sell-off. Okay, so I'm going to watch and see what's going to happen in this area right in here. 24500. All right. So we're going to set some alarms here. Guys, the only reason why I'm doing GU on the 5 minutes is because there's actually quite a few people asking about it. So I'm going to gather that alarm. Okay, so we're going to hold here. And I'm going to see if we're going to get a break above this structure. Okay, so here we have 5 minutes left. Okay, so we can see we're starting to open on GU. All right, I'm actually going to take a look at the dollar here too. NASDAQ is holding. Dow's still dropping. Gold is getting a little bit of resistance here. Okay, really nothing happening yet on gold. It's a lot of spinning top candle action. All right. Then you can see what's happening on the dollar. Okay, so we opened up last 5 minutes. All right, we didn't actually make a new high here. If you take a look at this. Okay, and we draw a little bit of resistance here. It's pretty much equal, guys, at that 105.01518. All right, so nothing broke above. Okay, so that's what I wanted to see. Are we going to make a new high from previous wick, or are we going to get rejected? And so far, it's looking like it's starting to hold some resistance. Okay, so I'm going to move this up here a little bit, and we're going to watch and see. There goes the dollar. So if gold is correlated, it should push. Okay, let's go take a look. Really nothing happening. Ali, the signals were good today. Dow 100 pips, German 130 pips, gold buy 130 pips. Man, that thing was running since last night, okay? So you would have had to hold a little bit of a swing going into it, all right? But it did play out. It just took a little bit more time. Okay, so gold is rejecting here. Let's take a look. So far, dollar is still trying to fall. It does look like an ascending capital for sure. Also need to watch and see. I personally think that gold could go bearish today again, but I think they might push the dollar. All right. You know, but we'll watch and see here. It could be bound since the dollar was very bullish all week, okay, for the rejection to happen, and then we start to fall down. We're slowly getting that right now. All right. Okay, so let's go take a peek at Goldie. So slowly dumping off. There goes gold, still trying to hold. Let's take a look one more time at our 15-minute candle before we get this close. So you can see we broke some structure, okay, at that 382, okay, and you can see we're slowly just getting a little bit of wicks here. So they're still respecting the trend line, okay, and we're not in that zone yet. Like I said, I'm looking for maybe that 0.5, 618 area, okay. Right in here, we've had a lot of wick rejections, okay, push back down, okay, price sucked up, so, and then all of a sudden we had the drop to the left. Okay, so I want to see if we're going to start to challenge that 0.5 there. Slowly we're going now. Okay, let's go take a look at the 5. Yeah, guys, so we do post the news in the morning, but I'll go over it real quickly for you. No problem. All right. So we're watching this new hourly here. It's about 48 seconds, okay? Main focus for what we're going to do is unemployment rate. Sorry, my bad. That's tomorrow. Unemployment claims, okay? At 8:30, guys, then we have Colmex open at 8:20, okay? So oil, gold are going to be pretty erratic around that time, all right? So let's watch and see what's going to happen, all right? But this is going to be our main focus, okay? Okay, so still rising. Okay, dollar is dropping. Okay, let's take a peek at GBP USD real quick too. Okay, there goes gold. Okay, new hourly kind of gapped it up a bit. Looking like we're going to go test that 0.5. Okay, there we go. Let's go take a look at GU quick. Okay, so GU just kind of holding here. Not doing much. But everything's looking like they're setting up for a nice move here. Okay, so we have a little rejection here so far. Do we live trade the FDAX? We did in the morning. Okay. That's part of really the London call. Just DAX and maybe Dow, a little bit of gold. Okay, there we go. So nice, nice volume here, pushing, coming near the golden zone. All right, there we go. The dollar's getting some resistance. Okay, so it's tight. All right, little rejection here. So we're gonna slowly start to hold. There it goes. Okay, so there we got the dollar rising. I want to see if it's going to test this candle right in here, guys. Okay, that top wick. Okay, so about 2 minutes and 30 seconds gone by. Look at the dollar now, guys. Take a look at this. I think last Thursday was the same thing. We had to watch patiently for just gold anyways. All right. Okay, so still holding here. Yeah, guys, I can throw on that Dow trade for you if you want to take a look. It's been about 3-4 people ask about it. Okay, so that's where the Dow buy happened, okay, during this morning. All right, so just remember that. Just going to mark that up there. All right, there goes Goldie making that new high. Okay, so that's strong. Okay, so now we're in that zone, guys. So we're going to come up and test, all right, our 618 level. Okay, this is the zone I told you I'd like to watch and see price get into. All right. And you can see to the left. All right, look at how many wicks happened. This is what I was kind of mentioning if we take a look on the 15. So you see that one wick to the left. Okay, on the 5 minute there was 5 wicks. Okay, so the price pushed up, rejected, and pushed right back down. Okay, so that's what I was mentioning. I want to see price get in here because if we do, okay, start to make a push, which we did, we made some new highs. All right, are we going to get rejected, okay, at this previous structure, or are we going to actually find some volume, okay, and start to rip probably back to, like I said, our 1925, okay, or even maybe our 1930 area? Generally, when price breaks structure, okay, and they're retesting, it doesn't always just break through and come right back to where the big fall happened at 10 yesterday. Okay, a lot of the times they get rejected here, okay, and then we start to make a possible new low. All right, yesterday we actually did almost hit 1915, okay, from that call when we were selling. All right, but again, price didn't just get there, it was off by like 0.3, okay. And then you can see we had a slow market rally through the reversal. Okay, so here's our new 5-minute candle. So opening up nice and bullish. Okay, so see that erratic behavior, push, pull, okay, starting to rise. Okay, so let's see what this new candle brings. It's just gone through a minute. All right, let's take a look at the dollar here. Starting to sell off. All right. So we're going to see, are we going to respect this trend line here? We're slowly coming back down. All right. If we do, could circle right back up, turn into a W pattern and resist. Or, okay, we're going to come right back down to our 786 if we break. Yep, we'll take a look at GU here too. Look at the Dow still holding, NASDAQ, and GU started to find a base. Okay, so watch and see on GBP USD. We got 24700 approaching for the alarm. Thoughts on gold? We're going to wait until 820, guys. 820, 830. Okay. Right now, she's nice and bullish. Okay. But will news have that flick where the dollar goes bullish and gold reverses, maybe back down? Or is the dollar going to hold bearish tendencies on this folder and then we're going to start to push on gold? That's what we're watching for. Okay, there it goes, guys. Look at that big drop. Okay, so right now is starting to get to a structure where we might to start seeing a little bit of hold here. This is a pretty bearish candle, guys. Okay, this is a pretty bearish candle. You can see the resistance. All right, so we're gonna come to these key levels right now on the uptrend. goes gold. Okay. So I'd want to see now if we get stuck in this area, okay, this zone, all right. Right now, this zone, I'm going to show you the whole percentage of it. Okay, so dollar, we just touching the trend line. Okay, this right here is about a 16, 15 pip move. Excuse me, guys, sorry. So that zone is about 16 pips, all right. We're going to watch and see now if this is going to get rejected, okay, and maybe start to drop on the 0.5. Okay, and then we start to have our continued bearish trend overall. Or, like the DXY just kind of said, we're right at that trend line now. Okay, are we going to hold here? Okay, no, we're not. Look at that. Look at that big sink, guys. Okay, 28 seconds. Agent, let me drop that in. Open that up for the guys here. Mid, okay. Okay, so are we holding here? Look at the rejection, okay? Now, guys, generally when we have these type of volume breaks, okay, this area does start to become potentially support. All right, that's a nice rejection here. Okay, so I like to see if we're going to start to hold 0.5 or if this is actually going to start to fall. Okay, if we go bearish, okay, which right now we're bullish, but if we do flip on news, I would be looking for something like this. Okay, and remember, look at the hold. Okay, I would be looking at something, a drop like this. Okay, using my fibs, all right, and if we start to rip bullish, you can see the support. Remember, I just said that once we break, it's hard for support to be broken. If we go bullish, we're looking for a potential break above the 618, okay, and then our targets would roughly be into that red supply area. Okay, so there's the break retest, and this is going to be our close of our 15-minute candle. So let's see what we're slowly starting to show right now. On the 15, there we go. Okay, so wick rejection, body fill, still holding strong. Yes, we can throw on the moving averages, guys. Absolutely. Good request. And then we'll take a look at the scanner. All right, now that we've kind of dabbled with everything here. Okay, so we slowly just broke. All right. Had a little bit of a golden cross. See, we're coming to fib level 382, starting to ride here. Nothing has broken up, so we're still holding above that 9 EMA. Okay, that's one thing we need to just be aware of. We just had a little bit of a golden cross, so let's remove this. I will keep the 9 on for you guys. I know there's a lot of people who want to see the 9 EMA. We'll take a quick peek at the scanner here. Okay, so right now, guys, on the 15-minute, gold is saying a little bit of a selling opportunity happening. On the daily, it's mid-range. Okay. On the 4-hour, it's almost mid-range. Okay. Hourly, it's right in mid. 30 minutes, 15 and 5. It's saying that it's a little bit over the 50% line. Okay, for RSI volume, stochastics, and a few others. All right, so that's for gold. Nasdaq is kind of neutral across the board. Okay, you can see here 50%. All right, almost until the daily. Okay, we can take a look at the Dow. Dow is, you know, almost the same thing. It's looking potentially for maybe some buys coming in on the 5 and 15 minute, but we'll watch. Okay, you have GJ. Okay, 2 30-minute and hourlies are saying potentially this is looking for buying opportunity here. Okay, so gold just reached around 80. Okay, and we've obviously had some more bearish volume step in here once that tapped. Okay, so it's going in and out. And then finally, guys, oil is neutral across the board. Okay, and then finally, guys, on GU, the 4-hour, all right, you can see here looking for potentially some buys. Okay. Okay, so there goes gold. So let's watch and see here. Remember, this was that general trade that we kind of looked at. Let's see what the first 15 minutes is going to do to this. All right. Okay, so you can see here, nice rejection. Starting to come down to our trend line, guys. Okay. Guys, what are your spreads like on gold right now and across the board? Okay, because usually when we come into news, this thing becomes hot and heavy here. All right. 1.6, 1.2. Okay. Okay, so new candle, guys. So we got a little bit of a selling pressure here, 1921.5. We're going to see if this thing's going to hold. Okay. So right off the bat, right before COMEX open, guys. Okay, right before COMEX open. Okay, you can see what's happening here. They dropped. Okay, we're respecting the trend line here. So if this breaks, okay, we're looking for price to maybe come back down to 382. We have two trend lines now. Look at the dollar. Okay, so gold, we need to break this uptrend. Okay, if this gets broken, this looks nice. Okay, but if it holds, we can start to walk back up. Okay, remember, we cooled off from our over condition. Over is more than overbought. Okay, but I'm just going to say overbought, and we cooled off. Okay, now we're going to see what's going to happen coming into COMEX open, which is in about 5 minutes. Okay. What could happen if the buyers step in? Okay, good question, guys. So right here, you can see that range. Okay, you can see here how we had some nice consolidative structure. We need to break uptrend and then this structure right here. Okay, and we're slowly coming there right now. Did anyone actually take that gold trade, guys? Did anyone maybe secure a sell here at the rejection zone? If you didn't, that's okay. You can see what we waited for. There's a lot of people who actually did get it. Guys, if you got it on YouTube, let me know. If you didn't and you're waiting for news, that's okay. Okay. I did get in that sell. Okay. And you saw this screen pop up here that was looking for a nice sell opportunity. William, okay, let's watch and see. You're coming to, it's maybe about 10 pips right now. Okay, so that's why I said this area right here we got to watch. Okay. Sold at 1920, a little bit of a gamble. I have a smaller lot size around 1920.2, guys. Okay, so I'm with you on that. It's not a large position though. So if we look at the broader picture here, okay, we're now coming into COMEX. All right, let's take a peek. There is a high wick here. Remember this on the 5, okay, please. Okay, so if we zoom out, guys, okay, remember that structure we just broke, okay, that nice support. You can see how many wick rejections. 1, rejection, rejection, a little rejection with an impulsive spike, okay. Now we're coming back and testing, but I'm noticing this little bit of a high wick here, okay. That's the resistance. So what could happen is they could be breaking. You see a W pattern, a little bit of a double bottom, maybe a triple quadruple, but now they're just retesting that 382, okay. So they made a high, came back, retesting now, and we're going to see this is that area right in here. Either it's going to dump, okay, during COMEX or news, or it's going to pick up a wick and we're going to start to ride. Now, that's what I said in terms of waiting for COMEX open. Okay, there's 2 times in this day where we're going to have really impulsive spikes on gold. All right, triple nipple, man. Okay, so see we're getting on that trend line again. There it goes. All right. I bet you the dollar. Okay, still holding here. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, so they've saved the dollar. All right. We're now approaching the same shit. All right, looking like a double bottom. So is this going to pop or drop? That's what we got to wait and see. To me, I still like gold bearish, but at this time with news, anything can kind of happen. You know what I mean? So what is COMEX? It's the Commodities Exchange Open. It happens at 8:20, and generally gold, okay, and oil get affected. News big today? Yes. Unemployment claims is very big. It's every Thursday, guys. Okay. But right now we have COMEX. Okay, so the first minute has gone by. Okay. You can see the impulsive moves. All right. We're spinning top right now. And there goes the dollar. Okay, so we're now approaching the same area. Okay, are we going to get rejected here? And watch and see the price in about 5 minutes during COMEX, or are we actually going to make a high? If it gets rejected, guys, it's a triple top rejection. Okay, if it blows through, it's a W pattern. Okay, you can see here really choppy. Boom, respecting the trend line. It's coming in, so we have ascending price action here. All right, and if it does rip bullish, guys, let's go take a peek real quick at what potentially we can get to. Okay, if it does go, guys, okay, GU is going bullish, I do believe, just got an alarm. Okay, 1053 potentially. Okay, and that would make new highs with our ascending volume here. So let's monitor. If we do rip, guys, like I said, I do like that area. Dollar's been pretty bullish since. It's good for us, for everyone holding US funds. Okay, and then you can see what's happening on gold short term. Can I look for EU on the weekly? Let's watch and see news first, guys. Okay, then maybe we can take a look at something else. All right, and just for YouTubers and even members, if you guys want to help out, I know we got some other things going on here. We got about 100 likes on YouTube, guys. Can we pump these up to 150? As soon as I get 150, I promise you I'll head over and we'll look at Dow and NASDAQ. We've already hit two for two trades today. All right, DAX and Dow. All right, really nice cent trades. All right, and we're just now going to focus on gold during this time. Okay, so let's see if we can rip these up, and then we will head over and watch some indices. Okay. And if you guys are here just to sit back and watch, I appreciate it regardless. Yeah, really, Comex had no effect. Honestly, I do think that they're saving it all for the news, but we will watch. Okay. Ali, the one trade I have from 1923, my stop loss is at break even. Okay. Okay, DXY is starting to rip past, guys. Okay, oh, there it goes. Let's see. We're coming right to that area, guys. Look at the dollar pushing. Ali, man. My man. Okay, so we're right in that general area where I said this is where price is going to come, and there's going to be some bullish volume, okay? If it breaks here, guys, this is a nice trade. We're going to come possibly back down to our 236. Okay, so we're testing now. Ali, bro, you chased on that trade. You're at the critical area where a price can make a big move. Okay, so just remember that. If you're happy with that, secure. Okay. Remember, 1923 area. Okay. And now we have 3 minutes and 45 seconds, guys. Okay, so remember, here it is. This is that 1922.6.2 area. 1920 we made a nice tap on. So are we going to hold here or fold? That is the main thing we want to watch. Okay, I'm going to mark this as neutral because right now it's coming to news. Okay, generally this whole trading week we've been bearish. Okay, but are they due for the dump again? Is the dollar still going to hold strong? The unemployment claims is going to tell us everything in about 3 minutes. So remember, on the 15th, this was the retest area from that break on the double bottom. Do I think that it can just drop and pop? I think that there could be some manipulation, like 100%. Okay, so they might impulsively push and pull. Like we've seen it before. There's nothing we can do. All right, they might drop it. Okay, then suck it right back up real fast. Okay, so this is what I mean by watching this key area. Nas at the 618 fib. We'll take a look, guys. Absolutely. I think we hit our goal. Okay, here, slow last couple minutes. You see how they picked up that wick? All right, so we know that there are some buyers there. 164 likes, guys. So as soon as this COMEX and news is done and we're through it, all right, we'll head over and we'll look at the Dow Jones. Okay, appreciate the love. All right, okay, so see, let's take a look at the 15 too. So here's that break and retest. Okay, see, W ascending, rejection in the zone area, which we kind of waited for, pull back, and this was that 382, 1920.6 though. All right, bounced off the 50. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, so everything is cooled off now. All right, I'll keep this on for you guys. Dollars dropping, it made highs, that's why, guys. So dollars pushing, okay, and then into a resistance area. Okay, so here it goes, probably coming back down to our trend line, if not a full break. They pulled the rug, eh? There goes Goldie. Okay, so news is coming up, guys, in 25 seconds. If you're happy with what this is, secure and close. If you want to ride it out, all right, ride it out. Right now, it's holding bullish. So we'll remove this. Five seconds, okay? Oh, ooh, ooh, guys. Ooh, that was nice. Come on now. Who held with me on that? You guys think I'm fucking nuts, eh? There's the running trade right there. Gold sell. I will repost that right now. And this is a Discord signal we sent to the FreeFX group. Shahabi, update that for the boys here. I'm out. There it goes. Secure, guys. Like, be happy with this shit, man. Okay? If it does still drop, I am out right now. Oh my god, it's taking forever to fill. I got oh bullshit, man. I got slipped $100 on that. I'm out, guys. Okay, so that's a big rejection. So we waited patiently for this. Okay, do you guys understand why we looked for that? Like, please tell me some feedback here. I want to know. We waited patiently to get into our golden zone area, into our 0.5, 0.618. All right, and if we did, okay, you know, this is a beautiful trade, guys. Ascending volume here. There's a lot of people who are probably, hopefully, not buying. You just earned your monthly wage, Ferdinand? Oh, bro. Congrats, man. Wow, that's big. Okay, so guys, that literally one trade and done. I know it's a little bit tough to maybe hold through news or get some confidence to do so, but we did send, if you go on the free Telegram, guys, okay, this was a free trade we sent to you, okay, and we also sent one to the group, okay, so the pinned message at the top, all right, just click it, you'll see the update. %50 of your new challenge. Oh my goodness. Ali, did you hold? No. Soon, bro. We'll get the confidence soon. Okay. So, guys, listen. Now, all right. What do we do? I think gold can drop back down to about 1915 area. and we're coming down right now. So do you see how we broke down through that trend line here? Okay, retested, all right, that ascending movement, and then news happened and we closed below. So remember we talked about trend lines before, and some people using them, some people don't, all right. This one actually acted as a beautiful resistance, same with the 90 MA and a drop. Okay, so we still have about a minute left until news. We're pushing into 1915 area. Okay, let's take a look at the Dow dropping. Okay, you can see NASDAQ dropped. All right, so guys, all we're doing is following the higher time frame trend. And look at what happened to the dollar. You know, see how they had that impulsive move to bait us in. All right, people trying to get into buys and then they rejected it. This is what they do, guys, all the time. All right, and there it goes. Trading at news is 50-50 chance. It is. The nice part about if you got in at 19, like the 0.5 level, and you held, okay, this didn't really have any wick drawdown, okay, so this wouldn't have impulsively taken you out. So whenever I mentioned to you guys, if you're wanting to hold some trades, move your stop loss to break even, okay, you know what I mean. If you want to trail your stop, this thing would have been beautiful. So right now, guys, here we go. Look at the identical box, okay, the demand. See what they're doing, respecting it. Okay, so guys, listen now, all right? Can I ask you a question? How many people, if you traded this with me with this morning, how many people have hit their goals? Guys on YouTube, if you want to tell me you've hit your goal, please just smash the like button. Let's see if we can get to 300. I'm going to head over in about the next candle here. We'll take a look at the Dow Jones, okay? If you hit your goal for the day, okay, please respect that. Don't continue to trade. Don't piss it away, all right? Remember, the more times that you go to the Zeno, all right, the more times that you do try to enter in the market, okay, the more opportunities that can maybe go against you, all right? So, Ali, you just got the 100K FTMO, all right. Let's see if we can get that passed, all right? So trade with proper risk, 2%, 1% per trade day, not per trade. Don't listen to me when I say that, okay? Football for life, you got 80% on your account. Congratulations. All right. Can I ask you a for real question though? Honestly, let me know how you guys did. But did anyone buy? Did anyone buy at the top there? To be honest, usually employment or jobless claims cause gold to go down. It is September too, bro. So that's a great thing to know. All right. So if you knew that, you should have been shorting it with me. So if you did, congrats. That's crazy. So I hope there's no one buying at the highs there. Okay, like right, 50% retracement all the way back down. So that's what I was looking for. Okay. Okay, so 2 minutes now. All right, let's wait this out and then we'll head over and look at the Dow Jones. Okay. Oh, you still got your buy from Lee from 1919. That's beautiful. Your broker's tripping. Guys, listen, whenever there's news, remember, okay, a lot of times I got slipped on that. Okay, so if I did, I guarantee it everyone else did too. That's why I mentioned I didn't want to deal with anything else other than this hold. If we do break, Lee, yeah, it didn't hit your stop loss. Perfect. If we do break, guys, then like I said, we're coming back to 19, maybe 15, 19, 10. What do I think, up or down right now? Ali, right, bro, I'm not going to lie to you, man. I hit my personal goal for the day, okay? And I'm only going to maybe look for 930. So we're going to just take a look now, watch this close, take a look at the indices, and I want to see at least a few more candles open, all right, before we look at the new hourly change up on gold. But for right now, guys, all we're doing is following the continued trend, okay? Take a look. What do we have here? Bearish volume, okay? We do have opportunities to fill this support if we do break 1909. I did mention maybe 1910 yesterday, so we can maybe take a look at that. Okay, but let's watch. Do you guys see on the 4 hour, all right, all of this selling pressure right here? Look at this. See that nice engulfing candlestick? Every time they try to go bullish, it's rejecting, okay? So really where we had the nice volume change up was right at 1910, okay? And then if it fell below 1900 would be the next psychological number. That's where we started to change some structure here, okay? Made a tendency to go down, okay? Started to break, okay, right around in here. All right, see how we pushed, kept getting rejected, finally pushed, then held, and then that was that big continuation candle, right? So if we're going to really drop, 1900 would be where they changed structure from bearish to bullish, okay? And that will be the full higher time frame retracement. But that might be long term, okay? There's still opportunity for gold to reverse. And there it goes. Okay, so let's head over, guys. We'll take a look at the Dow. Guys, I won't lie to you. Do you want me to stick with this trade? Because this was one we sent to our group. You guys let me know. If not, we'll do a full hourly breakdown. Okay, full. Awesome. Let's do it. You trust my analysis? For sure, guys. Some people don't, and it's okay, man. Some people don't. I get it. Okay, so here we go. Right back down to our support. In the challenge, what should my weekly goal be from point of view for 100K? What do you think, guys? Let me ask you this question, okay? For someone who just started a $100,000 account, okay, what should be a weekly goal for these guys? You guys let me know. YouTube, this is perfect for you guys to just talk to everyone around on the channel, okay? Passing a day, well, that's aggressive. That'd be nice, okay? We're not trading HFT here, okay? So just put your thoughts in, guys, okay? We really value this, all right? Okay, so right now, okay, we're rate holding. Okay, so I might actually drop this bad boy down and get that low wick. Okay. You can see what kind of structure we'd be holding at 236. Okay, so let's see if we can gather some. Okay, so we're breaking now, okay? I'm looking for down here for any kind of volume, okay? So I'm going to mark this as neutral if we do break, okay? I'm going to use this zone right here on the hourly. Was maybe some demand, okay? I still think we're bearish for a bit, okay? Like there's still have a lot of room to break if we get back down into our 34,300 area. Most say 2%. Ali, the best part of this is, bro, there's no time limit. So if you only make 0.03% in one day, and then you have to do that for the rest of the time, you could be doing this all year, right? There's no rush, okay? Like, you understand, more people who rush, they tend to make mistakes, okay? And that's just my opinion, what you can be avoided by, or avoid by being a little bit patient. You know what I mean? I'm going to drag this up here for 1 second, guys, just on the lower time frames. Okay, does that make sense? Like, does that make sense, guys? I advise you not to rush. Yeah, for sure, man. I think a lot of people would advise you not to rush. If you can, listen, the thing is, if you have the ability to be able to pass in one rough day, okay, and you can trade with getting your entries exactly what it is, okay, to where you need to go, then you know what? You might be that, I guess you could say, amenity where it's, sorry, anomaly where you can do that. There's a lot of traders who can do that. I'm telling you right now. Okay. 1 sec, guys. I just want to take a look at gold. So gold had a big wick. Okay, and you can see we're right back up at our 236. Okay, if this wants to, it can fill right back down to our point. 1915. All right, so we'll watch. Okay. Okay, and then my sell side structure. Capital P. What you got here, bro? Yeah, look at the one guy, Capital. He dropped in his FTMO. He's like me. I had winning days and losing days too. But overall, you want to have a percentage positive at the end of the week. Okay, so nice sell side structure here. And we're dropping back down. I'm going to just suck this over here. Ooh. Thoughts on max percentage loss to walk away for the day? I always said it, guys. Listen, I've always said maybe do 3 trades per day. Okay, 3 trades per day. Okay, if you make all 3, stop. If you make 2 out of 3, stop. If you make 1 out of 3, stop. If you make 0 out of 3, stop. Okay, just respect it, guys. So here we go. This is like a big distorted M pattern, guys. Okay, so here we go. It looks like we're gonna fall. All right, so I'm actually going to go on the hourly and get this bottom wick down here. Okay, so I don't always do this where I change my charts 100%. Okay, but they still have the ability to drop this. So I want to have the best zones possible where I don't have to chase this shit. The alley that I see, I think, yeah, bro, I think everyone saw. I think everyone saw and heard too. There are a lot of people who felt the account, Okay, so we're going to mark this up as some bullish areas where they picked it up. $34,300, respecting right in there. Okay. Paula, I want to share this with you guys. I am new to Spain. Dad is trading with me. I have to say I can pay my bills, eat, travel, and I'm okay. You guys are priceless. Hey, listen, that's I won't. That's probably the best thing I've read all week, and I've seen some pretty crazy returns on YouTube, guys, and in the group. But hearing someone being able to pay their bills, eat, so obviously pay for their groceries and food, okay, and then travel, like that's no joke. It's not easy to do. Okay, so congrats. All right, so guys, we're gonna break down to the 5 now. Okay, so gold, if we did want to trade the second one, take a peek at what happened here. All right, look at this. If you guys caught gold, congrats. Okay, I kind of just dipped out of it after that sell, but to every move there's a counter move from what I notice, right? And you can see this is a crazy counter move, right? So congratulations if you guys gripped it. All right, the only reason why I drew this there is we look to the left, look at how many times the buyers were stepping in. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas, okay, that we had nice demand. All right, so crazy opportunity if you guys got it, and if you did, seriously, fucking congratulations. Okay, remember, there's plenty of ways to skin a cat. There's plenty of ways to enter a trade. One strategy, some guy could have an amazing strategy, okay, but it doesn't work for some people. Some people could have the worst strategy and they click. You know, there's a lot of different ways to skin a cat, as I like to say. And guys, there's a lot of good trading educators out there, okay, who teach multiple different things. All right, so if you guys bought at demand, great. If you were not wanting to sell during news, you can see there is always a counter move. Okay, so I am not in any gold buy. No. Okay, this was actually a gold buy, roughly almost we sent last night around 1900. Okay, so let's just monitor the Dow as well. So we're slowly coming right back down. We got some guys holding the buys. Good. Amazing. Congrats. The day before, Ali, you were confused which one to choose. Well, I'm glad you chose the right one. You were on the right side of that trade. Avrin, you too. You were on the right side of the trade. You did not buy. You were patiently waiting at the golden zone for them to flop. Okay, look at NASDAQ still dropping, guys. Okay, I want to take a peek. Look at GU here. Really nothing kind of happened. They're still respecting the support. Okay, GU's really done not much. Okay, so I want to take one more peek at oil, guys. Did anyone yesterday... Did anyone check out what oil, like how oil went bullish? Remember how we kind of messed around with it and talked about maybe hitting 88 level? I don't know if you guys really remember, but we were right in here, okay, around 8 o'clock, and we're like watching price, and we mentioned if it holds the support, okay, it pushed them, pulled, but take a peek and went right back to 88 from yesterday. Go back and watch the stream if you want. It's up to you, okay? I'm not trying to sit here and say that I called out this move. I really, sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. But again, I want to show you the structure that gets respected, multiple times, and that 88 did actually respect. So big move, guys. I think we're going to hold on oil as well, and we're going to start to make some new highs. Okay, so I think we're going to retap 1988. There's no selling volume from what I can see in here. Ali, yeah, so stay away from it, bro. Okay. Yeah, gold is crazy bullish, guys. So that's why I wanted to show you oil too. All right. So watch and see. Maybe we'll get a nice tap at our 88 level again. Okay. And if it flies, guys, we're going to 88.50. We'll add an alarm. Okay. So let's go take a look at Goldie too. Dow's dropping. There goes that gold wick. So let's take a look. Take a look on the hourly. Okay, so when I kind of do this, do you guys see how zones get respected? Okay, fib levels are great. They're a very easy tool to use. Okay, and if you start to use the swing low to swing high or swing high to swing low, A lot of these get respected. So now gold has the volume, okay, to potentially push past our 618 level. All right, if we look on the 5-minute, take a peek at what happened. If we go crazy bullish, all right, we're going right into it. Guys, awesome, man. We're almost at 200 likes here. We got about almost 400 people on the stream. We got about 300 in Zoom. It's looking really good right now. Okay. Let's see if we can pump these likes up to 300 before 9:30. All right. If we do, guys, I'll stay till 10 o'clock. No problem, like I did yesterday. All right. And if you watch yesterday's stream, go back and watch those Dow sells. All right. Dow really sold off. Okay. Right after that. So it's nice where we can. Okay. So right now, pardon. Time out. We're right back at break even. Okay, so if you did not secure that trade, this is right back at break even. Okay, and now we're going to watch and see what's going to happen here. There goes the Dow. Okay, right at 236. Okay, so he broke down a bit. Ali Gold will go down, bro. It doesn't really look like it's going down right now just yet. Okay, I'd wait and see. Let's watch until the new hourly. Okay. Okay, oil is rejecting here. Look at gold. There it goes. Okay. So gold filled that wick. We're right back to tapping our 618. Okay, so let's move that across here. Let's get out. Let's now focus on what we got. So we're right in our circled zone here, right at the highs. And now we're going to watch. Okay. Do I think gold can go bearish? I do, okay, but this is a lot of volume that we're now selling against. Okay, so I would need to see some kind of heavy rejection. Okay, the hourly's crazy bullish. All right, we just went over with you, just kind of broke it down. Look at this, see the liquidity they grabbed. All right, but again, we're right at that nice 0.5618 level. All right. So here's the rejection again. Okay. Regnor, hello everyone. I'm new and still a beginner, and I have a question. How can I find out about trading style? That moment I'm more for scalping, but tomorrow again, day swing trading. I think you should master price action. Okay. All right. I think you should learn some order flow software, which Bookmap, you have Quant Tower, a lot of different things. Okay. And you should learn some support and resistance, because really you can trade at any time frame. It's just depending on you understanding your risk. All right. If you understand risk, you can trade anything. It's just you got to learn how to widen your stop loss, which means lower your lot sizes, okay, to give it more room, trade room to breathe. Or, you know, you just keep it as normal, but be prepared to go and force some drawdown, okay? So you can use it on any time frame, guys. It doesn't matter. It's just you have to watch critical support, change of characters, okay, gaps. You guys get my point. All right. So one more time here, let's go take a look at the Dow. Still slowly holding. Can I ask gold going to gap? If it breaks here, man, I want to see if it taps the golden zone. And remember, you get out what you put into it, okay? So like, you can't just expect to sign up with, say, us, or sign up with someone else, or do anything and then just start taking random trades, right? It does take a lot of work on your own expense, okay? And not even expense, but time, okay? You got to put in the time on yourself and back test and, look for trades that have already happened, make your trading mistake journal, right? There's a lot of things that go into really just learning, I guess you could say. All right, but always start with the fundamentals. That's what I suggest. All right, Werner, let's see what you got going on here. How many people are roughly, trading for less than 2 years here? Oh, beautiful, bro. Got some. We're approaching London highs. New York highs yesterday is at 1930, so that looks like it can rip, guys. Okay. There's a lot of people who have probably been doing that, I think I've been doing YouTube with Ron longer than some of you guys have been trading for sure. So about 2 years. Got about 6 years here. Okay, so guys, here's the new hourly. All right, we're approaching the golden zone. This is what I want to see. Dennis, about 1 year. Nice. Well, you're doing very well for 1 year, bro. I'm telling you right now. I've seen your results, and you're doing very well. Okay, so here's the new hourly, guys. All right, this is what I said we are going to watch for gold. All right. $16 years, bro. That's good, man. Well, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. You have been trading longer than me, and I really appreciate that, man, for the support. Sherry, which one is it? Let me see. Guys, if this does break down, it can fall right back down. Okay, so let's watch. Look at the dollar. Okay, slowly coming back. All right, we did actually tap our 105.15. At the highs here, let's see. 105.15. Okay. So I'd like to see something like this happen. One sec. Sorry, guys, I keep having to clear my throat. All right, we break. Okay, you see it here. I'd like to see potentially this pullback, which we are slowly doing, to right about in here. Okay, and then I'd like to see, is this going to start to hold and push? Okay, or are we going to break finally this trend line? Okay, and then start to drop. Me personally, this is still bullish. Okay, we have not hit the next leg up, which our next leg is 105.300. Okay, so look at gold. Can you re-enter? This is the same trade. If you're going to re-enter here, just remember that might not fall just as fast, but you can see, well, maybe it will. Take a look. Do you see the 0.5? Do you see 1922? Okay, see how they're breaking, supporting here. Candle close, new one pushes up, opens, rejects. I'm not saying they're the holy grail, but they do really help. Okay. Am I in that trade? No, I'm not actually in this trade. I took the previous one. I always wait for the first 5 minutes of the hourly regardless, and you can see what time it is here. It's just 2 minutes and 50 seconds into our 9 a.m. Okay. I like to see what's going on with the Dow Jones too. The Dow's right at our original buy level. She got it. She brought him back in. Okay. So watch this candle close, because I know maybe a lot of people are watching gold right now. Okay, so about a minute left. And you see what I mean? So see how they sucked that wick right back above the trend line? That's why I was like kind of iffy on, and I didn't really sell. Okay, I know how their tricks roll. This is really bullish right now. Okay, I'd like to see the candle close, and then we're gonna see, are we gonna hold below and start to fall, or is the volume gonna start to hold? All right. Do you see how important it is? Okay, well, for me anyways. For you guys, it might be totally different. You guys could have maybe slammed sells from the highs and already been out. For me, I would like to watch at least some closures on the new hourly. Okay. Because if we waited, you can see here that you're not going to be in a drawdown if you sold. All right. You're just watching either the closure above our 0.5, which will potentially go bullish. All right. Dows. Okay, so new candle. Here we go. And let's see now our close on the Dow too. Okay, so members, if you're still holding, okay, 3, 4. Okay, we'll go in here just one more time. Okay, so 34364. All right, this is a previous buying zone. Okay, so this is kind of the same thing that happened yesterday. We watch price drop. It's almost identical to yesterday. Okay, like let me break this down for you. If you were trading with me, you got under. Just take a look. Downtrend. Okay, we have a flat top, sorry, flat bottom break. Okay, so break down here, break, come to the apex, they fall. Price, they brought it back up yesterday, okay, right into our golden zone, okay, 0.5 area. And then what happened is they rejected and started to fall further, okay. That's literally exactly what happened yesterday, and it all dropped at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. news. We have the potential same setup as yesterday, but are they going to follow through with it? All right. There's opportunity for sure. Okay, like there's still great opportunity for Dow to break when it comes back. Like guys, this was a buy that we sent in the morning. Okay, it was, and you can see it ran for about 100 pips. Okay, and now we're right back at the level. Generally, when we come back and retest the previous buying zone, it's gonna consolidate like it is, break down, and then we might have some indecision until a bigger move. Okay, we have the highs, the lows. All right, price is always attracted to the imbalance that it made. All right, and we're now filling the exact price. And now we're going to watch and see at New York Open, which is in about 25 minutes, are we going to rip bullish or bearish? Okay, that's what we need to watch. And there goes gold. Okay, a sudden drop, balance, price demand, get sucked right back up. Same thing. Okay, it's just different. Gold sold, Dow bought over here. Okay, gold sold, Dow bought, both of them got filled. $19.31, yeah, it has great opportunity. We just need to get past that golden zone. And if $19.31 approaches, guys, okay, I'm just going to remove out of this here because I hopefully you did not just randomly sell that candle and you waited for me to break that down. I think we can get back into like our zone right in here from this volume. Okay, so we'll watch. I haven't had my alarm trigger here just yet. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm going to request a 2-minute bathroom break. All right. I went to the gym this morning and I drank about 3 liters of water. I will be right back. Okay. If you want to leave, thank you so much for tuning in. I will be trading until 10 a.m. if we hit those 300 likes, but go grab a coffee, guys. Give 2 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay? Thank you. All right, guys. So push back, we're getting some consolidation, just still holding here. All right. So take a look at gold, still holding. Okay. Gold is gathering all that liquidity to potentially push, guys. So this might turn into a flag. I would like to see, okay, this higher time frame. Let's go take a look at that hourly real quick. Okay. So we're right at 50% roughly of this 10 a.m. bearish candle yesterday. So if it rips bullish, okay, this is the target we're looking for right up in here. Okay, so we'll watch. We'll see here, and it's going to come into our 915 candle. And this is what it's looking like on the Dow Jones, guys. Okay. Someone asked me about euro dollar here on the weekly. Okay, I'll take one quick peek at it. I'm not really going to analyze it. 1940, yeah, I mean, it could run. Okay, so I'm going to go on the weekly here on EU. Okay, so change right here all happened from the downtrend, all right, at that roughly 0.4000. You can see every time we've come in this area, it picks up a wick. So if it does want to continue to break down, then we're looking at a target, maybe a 0.6000. All right. But I don't trade euro, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't. Like, it's not something I focus on. Okay. Okay, so hopefully that helped you guys. Didn't really do even too much. What is target on NAS? I'm not too sure, guys. We're not really taking a peek at NASDAQ just yet. I would like to wait until about 920, 925 before getting involved with indices. We can speculate until then. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. We can sit back and chill. All right. Just going to mark this trend line up and move it up a little bit higher. There it goes, guys. So now, good question. I can definitely throw that on here. Okay, so currently on gold, all right, we're mid-range through all of the bars, all right, 5 all the way to the daily, okay. NASDAQ, nothing really showing. GJ is still saying some nice buy opportunity here, but It's on the 30-minute and hourly. Okay, we have oil here on the daily saying it's potentially going to drop. So oil and gold, guys, they're not correlated 100%. All right, but they do move similar at times. Okay, when I get gold signals, okay, I usually get oil signals. Okay, so GU is also on the 4-hour saying we're looking bullish. Okay, so I do want to check out the moving averages as well because there were some people asking about that. Okay, so we're now, see how we broke, retested, nothing broke. The moving averages did not get below. All right. Okay, so do you guys want me to leave this on for you? Do you guys find value in me holding this on you? I asked you guys a while ago when I first did YouTube, it was kind of a distraction. Okay, you guys just let me know. Okay, give me some feedback on it. I really don't care either way. To me, it's just a little bit of a chart take up, and this is going to be hilarious. People are going to say yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Give it 5 minutes. Okay, let's go take a look at the Dow. I can't make it smaller, guys. It's set. Okay, so there's, I'll keep it on for a bit, guys, then I'll remove it. Okay, so there's Dow approaching that similar price. Okay, this is literally the exact same price as we had before. So for members, if you guys are still holding the Dow, all right, this can still drop, all right, but this is where price started to rip bullish before. Okay, so if you're still holding, you know, you're right back to break even. And the stop loss would be a little bit wider, about down in here. Okay, personally, I don't think that, I'd like to see wait until about 920, 925 for maybe a chart setup here, but that was the break. Okay, and the gold is dropping, guys. Okay, so okay, so gold is retracing, guys, not breaking above. Okay, no, it's extended, it's overextended, man. And remember the 4-hour, every time we go bullish, the bears just kick gold in the nutskis. Okay, so if we have this break of the 618, remember we need some volume, man. Okay, we need some volume here. All right, nothing even got above. Anything, this has a lot of opportunity to potentially go bearish again, guys. This could be the liquidity grab, maybe to push us down to 1910, 1900. But again, we'll see. Do you see how they're flagging out right now? It's like kind of forming a symmetrical triangle. Price is holding here, and then the downtrend. Okay, wicks are closing, body's closing, price is closing. I'm going to remove this, guys. It takes up too much time on my chart, or too much space. I like real estate, nice and big. Okay, that just crowds it. We don't like to be hoarding our charts. Okay. And there goes the Dow. So see what I mean? Just be very careful, guys. The Dow still has opportunity to go rip bearish. There, there goes oil short term. And look at NASDAQ, okay? So for the hourly on Nasdaq, okay, there's some questions on here. Like, let's go take a look at the daily real quick before we dip. Okay, look at this daily. Okay, guys, we're about just half of our bullish candle here. So right now this is bearish. Okay, if it still rips bearish, we have the ability down to get to 15,100. Okay, I'm not going to take NASDAQ and I'm not going to work with NASDAQ today. I'm probably just going to focus on the Dow Jones. Okay. And just one more thing to ask you guys. Is there any US 500 or SP 500 traders in here? I have got a lot of requests to trade US 500 and also a lot of requests to trade Asian session. When I put those mention of how to get in contact, there's about at least 2 to 3 people a day saying, can you trade Tokyo, YouTube Live, and can you trade US 500? But that's why I want to know, do you guys find value in trading that? To me, it trades like a pair, all right, but focuses on obviously an indice. We know that. There goes gold slowly breaking down. Okay, maybe we'll take a look at that more next week, guys. GJ Rogi, I'm not, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not the best at trading GJ. Okay, I done okay on it, but it's not anything that I can probably help you with that some of these other guys can't. Okay, I know my strengths and I stick to them. I don't want to get away from them. All right. Tokyo session, it's okay, man, as long as you're focusing on 6 to 10. 6 to 10 is the most interesting times that I find. Okay. And if it's sleeping time for you guys, no worries. All right. I think GJ was just so popular, man, when all the other YouTubers are doing it. And congratulations if you guys are getting the hang of it. I just never really spent time on it. As much as I like to say I tried, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. Okay, so thanks for the feedback, guys. Maybe we'll take a look at doing something like this next week. All right. Okay, so we got about 9 minutes. Guys, we're at 240 likes. Okay, let's pump these to 300. It's just my daily goal for spending time in here. Okay, it doesn't really matter to me if you join up with a group. We have a ton of members, anyways. All right, and if you just find value, guys, in the stream, just me supporting here and coming almost every single day, just smash these likes up to 300. All right. And then that way we know to come back maybe Friday, tomorrow, and then continuously. It's just that's, I guess you could say, our payment to stay. You know what I mean? Just support the stream. That's all we ask. Okay. Next, maybe US 500 swing setup. We can take a look at doing some stuff like that for sure. Okay, so let's watch and see. I want to see this 5-minute close, and then we'll monitor what's going on with the Dow. Okay. And guys, thank you for tuning in regardless. I know you guys got other things to do in your life. It's 266 likes. Okay. Around 44, then we're there. Hit target, hit goal. All right. And we are approaching New York stock market open. Okay. And guys, I just want to say also thank you for all of the admins and moderators. I have Ian, okay, Rob, Shahab, PK, all right, Trista, Sonia, all right. There's a lot of people in here who are really helping, and it's really appreciated during the stream. So thank you so much, guys. Okay. Okay, so about a minute just coming into. Okay, you can see gold is just holding. Do you see what I mean? After these big moves, we've just kind of consolidated now. Push pull movement. Coming right back to our just watch that. Watch that zone right there, okay? It's bloody hot here too, man. We just got, it rained so much yesterday and the ground was steaming, man. So watch this. This is looking like a nice demand gap right here, guys. We'll watch, okay? We need to break above and hold on across that trend line. Okay, so there's the Dow coming in, all right? Unheard of for September. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Global warming. Okay, so right now, all right, this is that same area as the buyers stepped in. Okay, I do have a little bit of a buy opportunity that just kind of popped up the last 5 minutes. Okay, so it just helps me notice something here that this is still recommended as demand. Okay, the sell side structure still held. Okay, buying got denied here. All right, so we do know there is a lot of sellers still stepping in. Okay, but I do know that there are some buyers right in this level. So we're going to watch and see what's going to happen here. Gold is still ripping too. I'd like to move price just above here, 34375. Okay, just a little bit above price. Let price kind of drip off here. And let's see if this thing is actually going to make a move. All right. Goldie's pushing and pulling right now. Look at that big push pull. It looks like a flag pattern though, guys. Oop. This does look like a little bit of a flag. And we are in demand here. Okay, so just keep this in mind. But we'll see. Price can obviously get denied and reject anything. Okay, so flag pull. Okay, and if we do close above the golden zone here, have the ability to kind of push. Okay, so let's just watch, see if they're going to respect this type of structure. Okay, so there's the rejection, guys, coming in. We can still drop to R0. Okay, just keep that in mind, and I'm going to start to mark up some of this text now. Okay, here we go. If new, do not trade first 5 minutes. Wait 10 to 15. Okay, do not over leverage. Okay, use stop loss, risk management. If nervous, do not trade. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward, guys. If you're nervous, don't trade. Use the stop loss. Okay, do not over leverage. And if you're new, maybe just wait for the first 5 minutes. So remember what happened yesterday, okay? We had some really shitty price movement, all right? And then at 10 o'clock, that's when we picked up a lot of our volume. If you're scared, go to the church. You guys kill me on some of these comments, man. There's been some ones today that I have, when I walk away, I laugh, but I don't want to say them too much. So let's just see here if this is going to play out. All right. A lot of opportunity here. Maybe get wick price, wick back down, dump off. We'll watch and see. There's about just under a minute left, guys. All right. Still does have the ability to drop, so just keep that in mind. All right, but that's kind of what I'm looking for here. If we do get some of the buyers stepping in. Okay, so right at that last minute, let's watch these wicks to the left, okay? Look at 25 seconds. See what they did? Right there. So this, we got to watch, okay? They could close below here, okay? 34375 and then dump this right off. All right, they took the volume right in there to increase. Let's watch, okay? Let's see if they can break, guys. Did anyone get this, guys? Holy fuck. Wow. Let me know if you guys got that, guys. When volume is good, volume is good. When volume is good, volume is good. Okay, very nice move here. Don't get greedy though, okay? They can jump this right back down. I did get that, okay? Well, you can see right there. All right. I'm going to secure about 50% of this and let this ride. Guys, now if you didn't smash the likes, let's see if you can smash them now for me. These are how our signals are sent, guys. Just letting you know. Okay, we use system, also personal human interaction. Okay, that was a big move, guys. Am I Nostradamus? No, I'm not. Not even close, guys. Just a random guy with a beard. So there. That was the Scalper Pro, okay? Similar level to the left, okay? Respected trend, and it bought and worked, okay? So congratulations. We can go now to probably, if we can close above here, our next zone would be 34,450. Rodney, you got Bank, Bronson. Oh my goodness, what did you guys do here? Wow. Gotta respect the streamers. So it's yeah, bro. Go check out the free FX group, man. Go check it out. Okay, so regardless, terminal or not, if you took the buy, you're good. All right. So let me ask you guys a question: how many people actually ripped this buy? How many people took this buy? We waited a little bit of time here. Still about a minute and 30 seconds left. I just want to know how many people maybe got that. Okay, we got 288 likes, guys. All right, let's see if we can smash these to 300. All right, 300 and I'll stay till 10 a.m. Okay, 300 and I'll stay till 10 a.m. All right, 120 pips W. Congrats, guys. Lady close in 3 seconds. That's okay. We know for tomorrow going in. All right. You sold gold instead? Congrats. I didn't even know the gold dropped off. And if you didn't get it, guys, trust me, this is a big move. All right. It's a big impulsive move. Okay. I literally put you on mute so I get a call, and the next thing I see is this. No, don't cry, bro. It's okay. We'll make more. We'll make more pips down the road. Okay. You gold sells. You guys are destroying gold sells. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. So no flag. Look at this breakdown, guys. Same reusable sell. Listen, guys. Congrats, man. Nothing really broke above here. Still kind of dropped. If you guys took that sell, amazing. Okay. I do like what the DXY is doing, which is nothing, but take a look at what this Dow candle is doing. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is incredible, guys. I don't think we really need to do something after this call, to be honest with you. You guys let me know. Why is it so much pump? Any reason? I don't know, actually. Let's go take a look at NASDAQ, what actually even happened. They could dump this right now, guys. It's at the one level. They could pull this right back down. So please respect the volume, but respect your accounts if you got any pips. If this goes bullish, though, okay? So hear me out. If it goes bullish, okay, our next target, all right, maybe 34,630, but that's pushing it now. There's a lot of selling opportunity here coming in. So if I were you guys, I would secure. Okay, please be happy with this. I just joined, which is Bitcoin. We didn't really trade Bitcoin today, guys. All right, so today, guys, we went 2 for 2 on the stream. All right, 297 likes. Let's get that 3 more, and I will stay till 10 for you guys. No problem. Yeah, me 5% today. You don't need much more than that, dude. For real, you know what? Okay, so we just hit 2 more trades, guys. I'm going to update this on the stream. Okay. So we'll be 7 now. Okay, and there's one loss that happened last week. I told you guys to hold, and it was stupid on my part. Totally should have never done it, but it is what it is. Okay. Okay, so see what I mean about holding? Don't get greedy here, guys. Like, we still can drop, okay? Perfect. 300 likes, guys. We just hit my personal goal for the day on the stream. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen on gold here, too. Okay. Indices were great. I do want to check out NASDAQ. Oil ripping, man. NASDAQ did nothing, so we actually chose the better of the two today. Ali, you took it, bro. Nice. So Ali, your $70 that you made, what percentage on your account is that for you? Val, you're up 2.5. Congrats. 1,000. Okay, so there goes the Dow rejecting. Okay. Does the Scalper Pro come with the membership? Guys, that's a question that I am getting bombarded with. Okay. I keep telling this every stream. Something new, you won't. We're changing things up here a bit. Okay, so when something new happens, it will be included with one of the memberships. Okay, actually two. Okay, so it'll be a license. All right, and it's just for your own personal trading when we're not here. Okay, but don't ask about it. I promise you, when it's ready, I will make, and we will tell you exactly when you are ready to have it. All right, so. GU buys, let's go take a look at GU2. Okay, I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines until anything. Look at GU right now. Okay, if you guys are trading GBP USD, okay, if you're trading GBP USD, look at how crazy it is. Shahab, thanks, bro. Appreciate that. I just saw your message now. Okay. So oil is ripping. Okay. Dow is rejecting. And then look at gold here too. All right. So do you see the type of volume it took to break our general area rate in here? Okay. So I'm just going to leave that alone for now. Ali, you made 10%. Bro, that's very good. We all were saying to you, do for like 2%. Oh, congrats, man. That's amazing. All right, so here we go. There's the stink off retracement pushing right back up. Okay. I think today was a good day for everyone, guys. So listen, I'm the type of person that will walk away. Okay. I think that you guys are hopefully risk minded, and if you hit your goals for the day, like you're good. I got stopped out on that. I put my stop loss into profit at 34,459. Okay, and it got stopped out. So I'm not in the Dow anymore. All right, just sitting back and waiting. Okay, and we're gonna watch 10 a.m. Guys, you just came to like the stream. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So if you guys sold gold and you secured, congrats. If you're now holding gold, take a peek. And there's the Dow. Ferdinand, you're done for the week probably next week. Bro, you hit your monthly goal. I would not be even coming. I wouldn't be messing around, man. Just enjoy that. Seriously. Guys, how many people, when they hit their goal, they walk away? Okay, like that's a really important thing to learn. Okay. Wes, you join the group. Okay, send me an email. Okay, we're just on the stream right now. We did some short-term upgrades to our current site, so we might need to manually put you in. Just send us one, bro. We'll get you set up. Okay. How many people are really going to walk away when they hit their goal? Okay. Usman, you made 70. You're out, bro. You just paid for your membership in one trade. Congrats. One day, one trade. All right. Listen. How many people have said they're going to walk away and then they come back the next day and it all goes down the shitter? How many people does that happen to? I bet you if we took a census report of everyone in here, people go crazy on it. They do. It happens all the time. My suggestion, and there's nothing wrong with doing this. Okay, if you've hit your goal, trade on simulated account. Okay, go to demo. Don't be afraid to just let your account sit for one day, please. All right, 12% today, Shahab, Ahmed. Bro, that's Bernie Madoff. Okay, was promising his clients 1 to 2%. All right, I think it was per month. Obviously, his clientele were millionaires. We're not that. Okay, all right, but you're hitting 12%. So imagine if you then just had a higher account size, you would be doing extremely well for yourself. Okay. Ali, I'm going live. I'm going to talk to Big Ron about it. Okay. You give your wife your phone. I think that's the best thing, man, because wife, hubby, when they see that you turn maybe $5 into 25, they are going to take that from you anyways, and 50% is theirs, 50% is yours. If you feel me? Vad, what happened, bro? Wag me, you're smart. Stay away. I actually had someone here. She is the sweetest person. I'm never going to tell who it is, but listen to this. She sent me a message saying she doesn't know if she can continue in the group. Okay, and I said, no, obviously no problem. You've been with us since literally day one. Okay, I love her to death. She knows if she's on the call, she knows it's her. All right. She said my family is getting upset with me. My There was a family member of hers who was in like the pregnancy room. She was about to have a baby, and this lady, I love her, was scalping while she was about like in the pregnancy room, and her family got upset with her and didn't know if she should continue, right? That's how serious trading, like, you know what I mean? Like, people get so serious on it. She took a step back, we talked, and she did really, really well, but I couldn't believe that, you know what I mean? Like, when that happened, like that, and let me tell you something, she is not someone who's just making 1%, okay? She is making more. And yes, she has losses, but I'm telling you right now, she's doing very well. But had a talk with the fam, and everything is okay now. But the fact that she was really willing to stop trading for her family shows a lot about who she is, right? And also about the type of person she is, because family, in my opinion, comes first. But man, when I heard that story, I was like, I love you. If I did that, I think I would be homeless. All right. I don't think I would even be able to come back. My lady would ship me across Canada somewhere else. You know what I mean? But man, I just love it, guys. But the thing is, why I was saying that story is because learning how to walk away. Okay. Listen, when you hit your goal, walk away. All right. We have people who are taking their family into consideration for walking away. There's a lot of things that bring you into that conclusion to walk away. All right. Hey, yo, what's wrong with Canada? Nothing, bro. We got some good beer and some high THC over here. There's nothing wrong with Canada. The only thing is there's a lot of rules that people need to follow. That's the only thing. All right, so let's go see what's happening to gold here, guys. A lot of chit chat and bullshit talk here. I need to focus. Okay, there goes gold again. Rejected. You want to go snowboarding? How many people have been snowboarding here? Housing is expensive. You're damn right it is, bro. They just said yesterday Canada's going to freeze the rates. Oh my God, it's such a lie. I think they might do it for like 1 month, and then the next month, they're going to do it. They just also said they're going to give money to people for groceries and stuff like that, but they don't even realize that they're probably going to ask for that money back in 2 years too, Skiing, you guys have been? Nice. I'm a snowboarder myself when I can actually get out. It's not always the time when I can get it. All right, but I do like snowboarding for sure. You have no more social life since you discovered trading? Absolutely. And I bet you have some serious eye problems for staring at the screen as much as you do. Blue Mountain for snowboarding? Eddie? Yeah, bro. Blue Mountain is sick. That's a nice hill. Very popular. Yeah. Ski to Vancouver. Oh my God, that'd be so nice. Did you go to Whistler to ski? Oh my God. I went to Whistler 3 times in 1 year. It was the most incredible place you will ever go. If you guys ever get a chance to go to Whistler, Canada, and BC, I promise you, you will look at that land like it's majestic. It is so beautiful. It is so nice. It's expensive, I'm not going to lie to you, but if you get a chance to go, please, please go. All right. Diane Moore, yeah, I feel you on that one. Gold drop heavy, it did. Nothing closed above our 618. Remember, I told you it's got to have a lot of volume to break that. Maybe 10 a.m. is going to do it, and we got about 10 minutes, but we'll see. Sam, you're from Vancouver? How nice is Whistler out there? You know how it is. Yusuf, you're just in Whistler. You guys know it? That's awesome. Bucket list type of destination? I agree. Martin. I've never been, but Australia or Switzerland, that is like the goal. I've actually, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I have never been to Europe. I am German heritage, okay? I would love to go to Oktoberfest. I am a big, this is gonna sound weird, but I love sausage and sauerkraut, and I love my beer, guys. So I would love to go to Beer Fest. We need to plan it. Yeah, Munich. That's where I want to go for sure. Can we sell Dow? Let's wait until 9, guys. Listen, if you're waiting for a trade here, please listen to me. There is 10. It's not real news. It's a speaking event, okay? But there is still some impact on this folder. They're marking it as orange, okay? So we'll see when he starts to begin what's going to happen in the market. All right, they could drop it, man. You know, it's still a selling market here. It's still the seller's market, but this could be that impulsive move to drop. We'll watch and see. Have I been on a safari in Tanzania? No, I haven't. But I watched a loan. I think it was a loan in Tanzania. Where would you guys like to go? Like, I'm just talking about me here. I know you guys are here to like trade and stuff, but where's something that you guys would like to go? You know, like I've never been to Europe. I really want to go. You know, Ron's been to Europe. He tells me all the time how beautiful it is. Whoever lives over there, I'm telling you right now, American and Canadian economy, the North American economy is so. I gotta be careful here. It's not like the European, man. I heard European is more family based. They have a lot better eating ways. You know, the food is definitely different. You know, it's a dream for me to go, honestly. Greece, Italy, Maldives. Yeah. You want to see Canadian bears? You will see grizzlies if you go into Whistler area. They come into the town, man. Ireland. Come to Nambia. I'm watching 1923. Anybody seen that show? It's with the Duttons, the spinoff of Yellowstone. I don't know if you guys watched that either. J.O. would Stock Sniper Trading have their own prop firm? No. No. 1923 is awesome. Yeah, I'm enjoying it right now. It's good. It's really good. You like to go to Canada? You're from Taiwan? Bro, I want to go to Taiwan too. I want to go over there. I want to get some of that food. Guys, honestly, I just wanted to say, listen, whether you're in Zoom or in YouTube, okay, there's a lot of people from around the world here, all right? And for you to just tune into some random dude's stream, I really appreciate it. And for the guys in Zoom, trust me, we do a lot more than just on YouTube, so I really appreciate you guys coming in here. And you guys are from around the world, so I don't know how you realize how valuable that is to share information. Like, we don't know, like, you know, Josh is from somewhere, you have Dennis from somewhere, me, you know, we can share news and stuff like that. It's very invaluable to have this, where not a lot of people, they can figure this stuff out, and to hear how nice different countries are from the people who are there, it is very amazing. So I am proud to have an international community. I would not have it any other way. I am so happy, honestly. The information alone and the people that I've met, it's life changing. So you stayed in Germany for 1 year. See, that's what I want to do, man. Dow flipped. Yeah. So see how it's at supply, guys? Okay. It's holding between 786 and the 1 level. All right. Come to Cape Town. There is someone in South Africa. Her name is Karen. Okay. She is. We don't talk as much as we used to, but I have seen some amazing pictures of her son fishing and everything she is doing. I would most definitely love to go spend some time with her there. She is still one of my number ones. And Karen, if you're on here, just know that I would still love to come over and still hang out with the fam. So Dubai, yeah, no, that's another one. That's another changing of life, guys. I don't think I'd come back if I went to Dubai. Okay. How many people would feel the same? England, Sarah, they watch you on that CCTV cameras all the time. I always said that. Anyways, guys, we're killing time here. Just patient. You can see that even if you executed some trades, you're looking at really choppy price action. Oil, push, pull, push, pull. Okay. Dow is rejecting here. Still has a lot of opportunity to drop. Come to Albania. Ron is from Albania actually, and he's told me and showed me some beautiful pictures. You guys live in an amazing place over there. Okay. I want to go to Dubai, guys. A lot of plus and minus there, sir. Yeah, I believe that for sure. Nick, you're in Thailand? Oh my god. If I was single, my life would be very different. I'm going to tell you that right now. Sarah, be careful, man. You say that, we got a lot of people in the group who are probably the same way. You're going to get tons of DMs after this. A woman who can trade. All these guys are salivating right now. And not just trade, you trade like a boss lady right there. It's funny. Sherry's boss lady. We have Sonia. We have Karen. We have Sarah. Trust me, Lucy. A lot of boss ladies in here, keeping the group real. Okay. Okay. So, guys, 5 minutes until this speaking event happens. Okay. Generally, we're gonna get more movement anyways because of the time. Okay, the 10 a.m. switch over. So, guys, what do you want to focus on here? Thoughts, me, you know. Do you guys want to look at the Dow or do you want to look at gold? Listen, this is all for you. I don't really care too much. Okay? You guys let me know. See, Shahab is tuning in on here, man. He heard female traders and he's all in now. We'll go to Dow. We want to okay. Let's watch Dow. Gold is really retracing back down, guys, from the same level here. So if you guys took it, congrats. I'm going to erase all this nonsense. All right, didn't really happen. We'll take a look at Dow. Yemi, you've been to Dubai about 6 times. See, that's the thing, bro. I've never been. I've been to Florida a ton of times. Vegas, I can't even tell you how many times I've been to Vegas. Okay, so we'll watch the Dow here, guys. Let's watch this golden zone. So see how they're getting rejected. All right, so see how they're respecting the buy level down in here. Okay, we did a little bit above 682 and the retracement zone. So if you guys sold your agent, you just passed your 100K account. My man, Garland, yes. You let me know. We'll get some nice cigars. I need a bottle of scotch too. Will be funded next. Is that the firm that you used? Okay, guys, if Dow really wants to break down, like I said, it is bearish. Okay, it is bearish. All right, we're just gonna watch and see here. So, and why I'm saying it's bearish is let's go on the higher time frame and break this down. Okay, see how there's a dirty. I'm going to remove this. This is sorry. So see that dirty wick we just had there, all that buying opportunity. Okay, that could be just liquidity grabs, but you know, we are still at a 4-hour kind of uptrend from the bottom here. Okay, so we need to break, I would say, roughly this area, okay, to start to fall if we're going to get back down to 34, maybe 335, which is that original wick. But we're going to watch the first 5 minutes. Okay. So remember that 4-hour level. Bronson, yeah, tell me, man. So see how it's respecting right across that golden zone? We're going to see. Sarah, be careful. You know how to message me. If you get too many DM blow-ups here, you let me know. Okay? Bro, I don't. Bronson, listen. I don't want to talk about these props live. Okay? We can do it after the call, for sure. I didn't read into it. I thought you said you got funded. That's my bad. I read it wrong. Excuse me, sir. Please, I would love it if you could answer the question on the chart XAU. Please explain the 19-cent psychological level. Thank you. Okay, we'll take a look at that rate in a couple minutes. All right. Bronson, you just know it's the timing thing, man. It's just the timing thing. We can talk about it right after. Goldie, okay, let's go take a quick peek. Okay, Goldie is respecting our 1918. Really choppy since everything, okay? Okay, Bronson, what, just right after the call, bro, I'll unmute you. We'll have a quick Zoom call, okay? And guys, listen, for the people who are tuning in here, I know it's boring, all right, but I'm that type of trader where we hit good trades. I don't want to just execute more and more and more. Okay. Okay, so remember, we break this trend. Okay, here we go. So respecting, okay, 3 3 3 4 4 5. I think you all got enough profit. I hope so. Okay, so let's go see gold here. Still dropping, okay? It's always wise to keep your profit. I would agree. You know, I don't really suggest anything else. So a little bit of a dud, guys. The Dow still is holding. I don't have any sell side structure that has been mentioned on the Dow, but again, if we really push through on the Dow, we can get fixated and possibly filling that wick at 34,520. But we need to break this area. Okay, this is that sell structure here. Okay. Does anyone have the speaking event, guys? Does anyone have this guy talking? You know, I want to know if there's traders behind him executing trades and all that fun stuff. Guys on YouTube, it was funny. About 3-4 weeks ago, we were watching, before I was on YouTube again, okay? We're watching one of these streams, and I think Powell was speaking, and then you saw everyone behind him, like, on their phones. Guys, we had the best, like, just text of what they were saying, and you know, one hit trades. They were executing gold buys and gold sells and stuff like that. I think that was one of the funnest days we've ever done as I here at SST. You know, it was good. It was good. So no one has anything. Okay, so if we don't have anything, guys, we might just watch and see the last little bit. Oh, Wes, yeah, bro. I saw your email come in. Just let me finish the stream and I'll get you set up. Okay. Just give me like 10 minutes after. All right. Okay, so Dow is dropping. Okay. It's choppy right now, guys. I think it's going to continue bearish, but we'll see. There it goes. Okay, as soon as it breaks here, this is what we got to watch right at this golden zone. Okay, so that's a nice zone to zone drop. Okay, I'm just going to move this over here for you guys. Sorry about this. Okay, so see, nice closure below here. They made a nice little impulsive wick, baited in some buyers, dropped it. Now, watch this 4-hour uptrend. If this breaks, that's when you're going to start to see the Dow really start to fall here. Okay. Choppy, guys. Just say you came out to give me the like now. I got 328, guys. I appreciate that. Can't trade prop to call your money. Oh, man. Ugh. Guys, I said it yesterday. I don't want to talk about it. I don't know. We'll find some new ones, guys. Hopefully they'll be legit. All right. I didn't want to talk about this, but I feel for you guys, man. Like I said yesterday. Eunice, yes, you can. Terrell, I use fixed. Okay. Guys, literally, this is really choppy here. I think that we've hit enough today. We did gold sells. You guys destroyed the gold buys if you took it. Okay. And if you took gold sells again, congrats. All right. If you took the Dow buy, congratulations too. Okay. If you took the Dow sell from the highs, the Dow sell is still the overall trend. Okay. So, guys, with that being said, I would like to just end the call. I don't want to get anybody else into so many trades. Okay. We had such a good day so far today. It was fun. It was energetic, and it was a really good Thursday. I promise you, listen, you don't need to trade every day. Friday is the days where usually everything goes nice, and then it's that one kick in the peaches, all right, that will not allow you to have a good weekend. Okay. So if you did well today, okay, if you did well, all right, please just walk away. I know it's not really going to have much of an impact what I say, but if you value your account and you value just keeping consistent, then, just have a great weekend, guys. That's about it. So tomorrow I will be, or Ron will be streaming live. Okay. I'll let you know what's about to go down. Okay. Guys, lastly, for the people who have questions about us, okay, we did get some people emailing us during my stream. I did see them pop up. Okay, I will get back to you. All right, my admin is actually on holiday right now until Monday. Okay, so just give me a little bit of time. I'm one-man show rocking here. Okay, this is how you get in touch with us. Okay, if you have any questions, all right, please give us a little bit of time. Okay, I literally doing my best to answer this. Okay. And then this is our schedule, guys. So tomorrow, like I said, there's no post New York today. We might do something. I'll speak with Ron and see what he's able to do, but I don't think he's able to do anything. Okay, so if you're not trading for the rest of the day, remember we killed this session. You don't need to. Okay, tomorrow we do have New York and post New York. Okay, so we have Shahibi, my man, doing the Scalper Pro analysis. Myself or Ron will be doing tomorrow, and then we'll do post session on Zoom with my man PK. And guys, listen. There's so many people who I would like to thank, and YouTube guys, you don't really care about this, but to make this the way it is, there's a lot of people who are really devoting some time because they're seeing good results. And I just want to say thank you to all the admins, but thank you to everyone tuning in here to the YouTube channel. Thank you to everyone tuning in on Zoom. Okay, we do our absolute best, to try to educate you. Okay, are we gonna lose? Yes, we all do it in life. Okay, I've had some shitty times. We all have. We've had some good times, but it's just part of it. So, but we're here every single day grinding for you. So hopefully you guys respect that, and I really appreciate all the likes and the love. So, if you would like to join, guys, like I said, join Discord here. Okay, fill in the steps. We'll get access. Okay, and then we do have our membership program here if you want to join. Okay, we do have $20 off, guys. It's running till today at 11:59. I think there's about 5 slots left. You know, we didn't get many. It's okay, but if you guys want to, then it'll be good to go. It's up to you. Okay, other than that, guys, there's nothing for the rest of the day, so please stick it out. All right, there's a little bit of Canadian news later on, but other than that, it's all the gravy train. Okay, guys, God bless you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, I appreciate you, and appreciate your time and effort that you're devoting to me. It's not easy to watch some random guy just talk about candlesticks and price action. Okay, so thank you, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. All right, later. Peace out. God bless. Rock on. Bye-bye. Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session of Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell. Okay, I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stock Sniper Trading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.